Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? It's Mark Methods. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at installing a Perrin Drift Button into my Turbo BRZ. Here's the part number. Inside you'll find some packing material and the Perrin Drift Button with some instructions. If you look closely, you can see the engraved Perrin logo and the rubber O-ring at the bottom. And here are the instructions. It's a very simple process, so let's get to it. This is what you'll need. Some channel locks, your drift button, and you can use this optionally. You can actually just grab the channel locks to the button itself. I'm going to try to save it along with the trim around here on my e-brake. So let's get started. So just wrap this up. Try to get a good bite on it. Feels like it's turning a little bit. I can already tell this is going to take a while, so let's fast forward this. Alright, so that's the end of it. Looks like there's some glue or something in here. Pull your spring out. Now without the spring, we'll have to manually push out the button. But with the flared edge, it makes it nice and easy. So just thread on the new one. And that's it. That's how you install the Perrin Drift Button. Now when we want to go drifting, just drop it. That's it. I feel like this can thread in a little more. I'm going to play with it off camera. Alright, so the thread should be cleaned out. As you can see, there's some plastic shavings, and once you're done, it should actually screw down that deep. So, thanks for stopping by, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.